Yo, what is up, guys? We got the crew out here today. All of our cars. We're about to make an exhaust video before Eric leaves because he is moving to Hawaii. He's leaving us. We're all stock with we all have the stock downpipe except for Eric's car. He has turboback exhaust, but all of our has a catback exhaust. Hey, I'm trying to vlog here. Nah. Anyway, so we have a stock exhaust here. This one's the Nameless Muffler Release 3-inch, right? Nameless Muffler Release 3-inch? Yeah. And then we got the R400, Tyler's R400 exhaust. And then my Tomei. We got Eric's Cobb with the Cobb. You got Cobb downpipe, right? Turboback. Turboback, yeah. And then Simeon's ETS. So that's the stock exhaust right there. So this is the Nameless Muffler Release, the 3-inch one. Dude, it has a pop to it. Sounds nice. Here we got Tyler's R400.
Did you say
do it again, do it again. So this is my Tomei single exit. So he's the only one with the turboback exhaust. We all have the stock downpipe.
You're like.
Damn. You know he did that on purpose. So hands down, Cedric's car is the loudest. It's crazy though. It pops though, even with the, it's only the deletes.
Yeah.
It's crazy. It does pop hell loud. Like, look how clean this lineup is with the sunset. Got the dark gray, silver, blue, blue, silver, and the black. And Tyler finally came out today. Tyler came out today. Where you at, Tyler?
He made it.
He made it. Look at the sunset. It's so nice. It's like so colorful. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to drop a comment down below of who exhaust you think was the best, and don't forget to share it. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.